Hello viewers, welcome back you all. In the last video, we have learned about how to install our project and our studio, and we have learned how to print some of the strings. And so let's learn how to give comments in our program code or source code. Okay, so the first thing that we will start with the comments. So in other programming languages, we have various styles of commenting. In R also, to make the programming readable, the source code readable, we need comments. So for in our programming, there is only single line comment. R doesn't support multi-line comment. That single line comment can be given like this by putting hash in the front. Just by putting the hash in front of the line, that line will become the comment. Okay, and R doesn't support multi-line comment, but if we want to make multiple line comments, if we want multiple lines in the source code to give some more information to the programmer, we need multi-line comments. And for that, there is a trick in our programming. The trick you can see here by putting if false inside the if, curly braces open and close. Between that, within double quote, you can write all the things that you want in multi-line comments. Okay, so let's try to code it. So this is the R Studio, and in side by side I have opened the notepad that I have also I'm not dis I have not discussed how to write the code in the notepad and how to run that in R Studio that we are doing here in this video. So here this is in the left hand side there is R Studio. You know it very well because in the last video I have explained it, and in the right hand side there is a notepad. So for taking the single line comment, this is single line comment, but just by putting the hash in front, this is single line comment, and then I have assigned a value to a variable that is x, and for multi-line comment I have put if, as you can see here, if false bracket, inside the bracket I am using the double quote, all the statements in the double quote, and this will make these two lines as a comment. Okay, so after that I'm printing a statement that is multi-line comment. So if I run it, how to run the notepad here in the R Studio using source command, just write in the console, see here, source, and inside the source function just write in a double quote the name of the file, notepad file, the name of the notepad file that you can see here, test.r, it is there, and just put control enter. So as you can see here, the first single line comment is not printed. X is assigned to 10. As if you just print the value of x here, it will print, yeah, again I am running it. This is, so in this way you can have a single line comment and multi-line comment both in your programming languages. Okay, so this is the way you can have single line comment and multi-line comment both in your R source code. Okay, see you in the next video.